Hello, I'm Jade and welcome to my creative space. Today, I will be making my vision board using my journal for 2021. I will be using my journal for my vision board this year because I will be able to see it easily because I will be browsing my journal from time to time, and that will be a great help for me to recall the visions that I was able to put in this journal. So what is a vision board? A vision board for me is a visual representation of my goals, my hopes, my dreams, my prayers for this year 2021. And the materials that I will be using for this vision board will be the available resources that I have, like the photos, the scrapbook materials that I have, the paper prints, and I can also do a lettering or whatever that I can produce so that I can come up with a good vision board. Before I even started to gather all the materials for my vision board, I took some time to list down all the things that I would want to include. So for this year, I would want to emphasize positivity, things to improve, the quotes that I would want to remind myself the whole year, and the things that I would want to do despite the challenges that we have right now. I also include the things that I would want to focus, like family, work, friends, my craft, my passion, my personal projects, and all the things that I would want to explore and try this year. One thing that I really love about my vision board this year is that I was able to put an old photo of me on top of a mountain, and this really reflects how I would want to breathe more this year and to have at least time to reflect and be more grateful of what I have right now. This is my finished vision board for 2021, and I'm happy that I was able to put the details of the things that I would want to achieve and to explore more this year. I hope you enjoyed watching, and finally you can also make your own vision board and enjoy doing it, and have a great new year, everyone. Bye!